Hey, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use action mode for stable videos using your iPhone. So first of all, let's launch camera application, and now let's switch to video mode. So you want to tap this icon with a running person, that is action mode, and you can see that it's enabled. Now additionally you can turn on flashlight if you need that, and now in the top left you can change some additional settings. Okay, and now all we're gonna do is press this record button to begin filming. Okay, and I feel like that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.